So in this iMovie tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a theme to a video here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie opened up on your device, what I want you to do is first off, put some videos or put some pictures into your movie to create a project. So as you can tell right here, I have a white background followed by a black background for my project here for demonstration purposes. So once that is done and you want to add a theme to the video, go to the bottom right hand side of your screen. There's sort of like a gear looking icon. Press on that. Now the first one is project filter, the next one is theme. So right now it's just a simple theme, but if you wanted to maybe change this to a news theme, you can go ahead and press on news right here. I'll press on news, then press on done. And now you've changed the theme of this video, so you can sort of play around with it this way. There's the news theme, there's the travel theme, neon theme, playful theme, bright, modern, you name it. Play around with it. Once that is done, just press on done, and hopefully the changes are made to your video in regards to adding the theme. But pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add a theme to a video here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.